Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and More, where today I will be sharing with you my design team project for That's Just Penny over on Etsy. And I went ahead and used her Poppy's Watercolor Prayer Pocket Kit. Well, I'll be sharing with you what it looks like. Let me give you a quick flip through. This right here, this work right here, Penny actually watercolored and turned it into her kit. She used her own artwork. Isn't that beautiful? I wish I had that talent. So this is one page. Here is another. Some more of those poppies that she painted. And then this page where it has a poppies, it has a little flower, another flower, a bookmark, a journaling card, and a tag. So this is a kit that I used. And this is what I made. The first thing I made was I did a card. I took the image, the bigger image right here, and I used that as a front picture of my card. I bought these at Tuesday Morning, but you can make it yourself. It's 8.5 by 5.5. You fold it in half and it becomes a card base. And so I used the picture as my front of my card. I did use this right here. It's from Studio G. I got this at Walmart. I mean, not Walmart, Michael's. And it's glitter glue. And so I went and I did all the little leaves in the green. And then this one is the same thing. It's just a different brand. Came during Valentine's Day with 3 in a box, and they didn't have any labels. But it's the same thing. And I used this pink on the poppies, and it worked great. I love to use this because why is my lighting going in and out? It gives you the shimmer, and I like that. So I made a card. I took her pocket and I cut it out. I always say that a mistake is an opportunity to do something different. Well, you were to cut it out here all the way around and then cut around here, which I did. But I cut down too far down here, and this little heart or petal fell down. So I only had these two, and I didn't like the look, so I went ahead and just cut it off. And I made the pocket. Same thing. It has the glitter glue. Look at that shimmer. Love it. So it makes a nice little pocket. Then I cut out the tags, and what I did around the edge, just to make it different, I did a faux stitching, which I put a dot, a line, dot, line, dot, line, all the way down with the fine tip Sharpie, all the way around. So this is a tag. I had some scrap of eyelash trim. I made a hole and I attached that. This is the journaling card. Did the same thing, dot, dash, dot, all the way around, some faux stitching. A little bit of that eyelash trim around here. That flower that was in her kit, I went ahead and put that glittery stuff there. And then this was a bookmark that was in her kit. Again, another bit of that faux stitching all the way around. I took that other flower, folded it in half, and glued it to the top as a topper. I did trim the not the tag, the journaling card and the bookmark, and I'll tell you why in a minute, or I'll show you why in a minute. When I put things in pockets, I like to stagger things. Like, see how this is 1, this is 2, and then the flower is 3. Why? Because when you put it in the pocket, instead of stacking things one on top of the other, I like to show that there's 3 things in there when you see it. The reason I did the faux stitching instead of putting it through my sewing machine was because I wanted to leave this as flat as possible to send off for a friend. I love to use Penny's kits to send off Happy Mail, Scripture Mail, my Scripture swaps, putting in as extra in craft swaps that I get, because the kits are first of all, designed to be a pocket, which I love. And then it always has a couple of, you know, things to stuff in the pocket, and I like that. The reason I left these blank was because I don't know how I'm going to be using it. For example, if I'm going to be sending it to a pen pal, then I can write my letter, depending on what I want to do. I can write her a little note here, like currently reading, you know, Ruth. You know, my hobbies, I'm into, I don't know, watercoloring, and weather is hot here, or it's cold, or whatever I want to put for my pen pal. Maybe I want to put a picture of my dog here, and I send it, and I said, hey, Lily did this and this and this and this. You know, if I'm using it for a pen pal. If I'm going to use it for scripture swap, where it's a swap that I do every month, and we swap stuff with scripture on it, then I would write out a verse that I want to share with that person here. Perhaps a sticker that has a verse. Perhaps a cutout, you know, that I saw, or something encouraging here with her, like a prayer. Dear Lord, I pray for Thelma, for her finances, for, you know, her marriage, for, Lord, that you just give her encouragement. You know, whatever I want to write here. And then the pocket, well, it's there. You know, it's to put the things in here. And then I have the card. Here I haven't decided if I'm going to put in I think I want to put in a square, a white square, so I can write my sentiment. You know, so I have a card. I have 3 things that I can send them. As far as my scripture swap is concerned, maybe they want to put this in their Bible, right? Because it's like a little bookmark with the tag with the bookmark, not the bookmark, the eyelash trim at the end. Maybe they want to put it as a bookmark. Maybe they want to share it with somebody. So that's why I left them empty. They'll be ready, blank, if you will, until I decide if I'm going to send them to a pen pal, who I'm going to send them to, and for what purpose. So I did that. I also made a little paperclip embellishment with one of the smaller images that came here. It's this one right here. It's a paperclip embellishment. It's hidden. So if I want to attach it to here, you know, this can be my embellishment. I can leave this blank, and then they can have it, and they can use it in wherever they want to, in their Bible, maybe in their journal, maybe, you know, as a bookmark. I don't know, whatever the recipient wants to do. They can do that if they like. And so this is my design team project for That's Just Penny, where I used her Poppy Watercolor Prayer Pocket Kit on that'sjustpenny.com. I really like these little sets. Because like I say, I do a lot of swapping. I send stuff to my pen pals every month. I do a lot of swapping for scripture swap, craft swapping. And these little kits are perfect for that. I like that it has a pocket so that you can stuff it with goodies, you know. I can put that in there. Maybe I can put some stickers, some bling, ribbon, washi tape samples, you know, anything I really want to stick in here. It'll be great for my pen pal or the scripture swap person to get. I love it. I love the colors that she's done in her prayer pockets. They're very pretty. She has lots of prayer pocket sets. I know I've done before the peacock one. I've done this one. I have done, gosh, what did I do the last time? The last time I did a journal with one of her kits, because she also has kits for journaling. But my particular favorite are these little kits because, like I said, it has a pocket, it has this stuff, and for me, for my needs, this is perfect because I can use it just to send a little, how about a happy birthday card in here? And goodies here, I can put some washi tapes around here. I can wrap it around here and use washi tape samples here. Here I can put some stickers that she can use. I already put a little paper clip embellishment. And it's just perfect. So I hope that you enjoy my little design team project for That's Just Penny on Etsy. Go on over to her Etsy shop. In the description box below, I will be putting my coupon code. If you're interested in purchasing this kit or anything on her Etsy store, use my coupon code and you automatically save 10%. So hey, I can tell you that her little kits, not the little kits, but the prayer pocket kits, they're not expensive, not even her journaling kits. And I love working with digital kits because once you purchase it, guess what? You have it forever. So whenever you want to use this, you just click, print, and you have them. And you only purchase it one time and you have it there. Versus buying a pad, right? A paper pad at the store, and you buy it, you use it, and you no longer have it. So thank you for stopping by and watching my channels, guys. My video, I really appreciate it. I hope that you like this little design team project that I made for That's Just Penny on Etsy. Don't forget to use my coupon code, 10% off. And I hope that you like my project. Tell me if you liked it. Tell me what did you like about it. Don't you think her artwork is beautiful? I do. I wish I can watercolor like that. So I hope you give me a thumbs up, and I hope you keep watching my videos, guys. I'm appreciative of you watching my videos. I love to create. I just love to create, to sit. It's my therapy. I love it. Just love it. It's my therapy. It gets me going in the morning when I'm having a bad pain day. It helps me get through it. If I'm not feeling well, you know, if I need a pick-me-up or I want to pick somebody else up, I make it, I create something for them and send it off. It's just awesome to me. I love crafting and I love creating, especially with digital kits. So I hope that you go by That's Just Penny on Etsy. Use my coupon code, guys, 10% off. Hey, it's saving you money. Go see what she has over there. And as always, my friends, happy crafting. Bye.